Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Samira speaking. I am in class 5. My home. I talk to Bangladesh map. I love my country. Bangladesh has many districts. Bangladesh has very Bangladesh capital is Dhaka. I live in Nagaon, but I love Kishoreganj. Kishoreganj is a small town, but there are many important places around in it. The Solakia the largest Eid ground Solakia is from here. I love Bangladesh country. My country is a small country, but there are many districts. I love Nagaon because I born here. Nagaon was very important places in around it. The Kushumba Masjid is historical place in Manda, Nagaon. The river Atrai flows through the town. I love Kishoreganj. Kishoreganj was very important places. The Shah Mahmud Mosque is the Shah Mahmud Mosque. The Shah Mahmud Mosque is around the town. I love Kishoreganj. Kishoreganj, a beautiful district. I love Kishoreganj. There are many important places in around it. The government Guru Dayal College are in the town. I love Bangladesh. Bangladesh is my favorite country. Bangladesh has many important places around the country. I love Bangladesh. The country was very beautiful. I love my home district. The Kishoreganj is a very beautiful town. I love Kishoreganj. The two writers of children is Upendra Kishore Roy Choudhury and Sukumar Roy. I love him. The Bangladesh map is a very beautiful. I love the country. That's all my information. Assalamualaikum guys.